Welcome to our review of forex.com, one of the leading platforms for foreign exchange, also known as forex or FX trading. Forex trading involves converting one currency into another in a global marketplace. Forex.com stands out as a top broker in the United States, offering transparent pricing and an advanced trading platform. In this review, we will delve into the platform's investment offerings, fee structure, and the pros and cons for investors. Forex.com allows US users to trade forex investments. While it offers more options to non-US users, regulations limit its offerings for Americans. Despite these limitations, it remains a preferred platform for accessing forex trading. Forex.com also redirects US users interested in trading stocks, bonds, or futures to StoneX One, an affiliated stock trading app. However, a separate account must be opened for this purpose. Forex.com supports traditional brokerage accounts and individual retirement accounts. Users can choose between different account types based on their trading needs. The fees at Forex.com vary depending on market conditions and the type of account you open. Users can select between a standard account, which only charges spread fees, and a raw pricing account, which has lower spread fees but includes a commission fee. For standard accounts, the spread fee can be as low as 0.1 per euro or US trade, while raw accounts can have a spread fee as low as 0.7 per euro or US trade and a commission fee of $5 per $100,000 traded. Additional fees include a rollover fee for positions held overnight, which varies based on the interest rate differences of the traded currencies. There is also an inactivity fee of $15 per month, starting after 12 months of no trading. High-volume traders can benefit from discounts. Forex.com upgrades these users to active trader status, which provides cash rebates on trades. To qualify, new users must fund their account with at least $10,000, trade $50 million of volume in a calendar month, or maintain an available daily balance of $25,000. Forex.com excels in providing research and educational resources. The platform has an in-house team of expert analysts who produce daily news and research articles. Users can link their accounts to TradingView for free, accessing technical analysis, market data, and the TradingView community. The Trading Central Research Portal helps users quickly identify potential trading opportunities based on technical analysis. Educational resources include online courses and weekly webinars for both beginners and advanced traders. Course topics range from technical analysis to introductions to trading. Webinars are hosted by Forex.com market analysts and are free to join. Past webinars are available on the Forex.com YouTube channel for anyone to view. Forex.com offers two desktop interfaces, the traditional Forex.com platform and MetaTrader, a popular third-party platform. Both interfaces are highly customizable. The Forex.com web app or desktop platform connects to TradingView for technical analysis and market news. It also includes in-house research, Reuters news, and a calendar. Performance analytics helps users review past trades to make better decisions. MetaTrader provides an advanced interface for professional traders who prefer spread-only pricing. It also connects to TradingView and offers expert advisors for automated trading. The MetaTrader market has over 950 trading robots and twin technical indicators. Both the traditional Forex.com platform and MetaTrader have mobile apps. The Forex.com app is rated 3.8 out of 5, MetaTrader 4 is rated 4.8, and MetaTrader 5 is rated 4.7 on the App Store. MetaTrader 5 is the latest version, but some users prefer the older version. Forex.com offers excellent customer service. Users can reach agents by phone, chat, or email. Phone lines and chat are available 24/7 from Sunday at 5 p.m. to Friday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Emails can be sent to new accounts at theforex.com or support@theforex.com for new or existing accounts. The platform is highly rated on Trustpilot with a 4.7 out of 5 star rating. Customers appreciate the fast response times and quick resolutions from customer service agents, although some find the verification process slower than expected. Forex.com is a subsidiary of StoneX, a Fortune 100 company with over a century of history. The company ensures user funds are kept separate from company operating funds by splitting them among banks. The US platform is regulated by the National Futures Association and the Commodities Futures Trading Commission. While leverage always carries risk, forex.com makes significant efforts to protect user funds from mismanagement. Forex.com is a reliable and robust platform for forex trading. With over 20 years of history and a strong backing from StoneX, it provides users with a secure and advanced trading experience. Whether you are a beginner or an expert trader, forex.com offers comprehensive tools, research, and educational resources to help you succeed in the forex market. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.